Hi, everybody. This is Robin Miller with the weekly roundup for the week of September 11th. Wanted to just take a moment to acknowledge the brave men and women during the 9/11 tragedy. It seems like yesterday, but it also seems so long ago. But just wanted to acknowledge that for this week and always. That said, we do have a lot to go over. Again, as usual, we've got great stuff in store here at the KyCPA, so I'll get right into it. First and foremost, I want to talk about CPE. We have a great program on Excel called Excel University, Excel, the program, the computer program, and we have a discount, 20% for members. You must use that discount or sign up for that discount by September 30th. It is a 20% discount, and there's a lot of great things you can learn about Excel in that program. We can't wait for you to take advantage of that. You will use the code that I'm popping up on the screen here. From an events perspective, we have our KyCPA networking event. We've started these statewide. On September 28th, we will be in Owensboro at the Brew Bridge from 5 to 7. Again, just come see what KyCPA is about, network with your colleagues. Should be a nice, fun, casual time to just celebrate each other. From a conference perspective, we've got two coming up. We've been talking about them for several weeks, but they are really soon, round the corner, if you will. September 21st and 22nd is the CPAs in business and industry. We have a spotlight on a speaker. We've got a speaker from Vistage Worldwide. His name is Ed Gallrein. He's going to be talking about leadership and culture in the workplace, so you'll definitely want to take advantage of that. And then on September 28th, we've got the Financial Institutions Conference. I'd like to bring attention to Andrew Harper, who's the Senior Managing Consultant with FORVIS, which used to be BKD, as you might remember. So those are conferences coming up. You definitely want to take advantage of those and get all the good education available to you with all that. And then students, we always have lots of stuff going on for your favorite student in your life, or you if you are a student. First, we've got the free virtual mock exam that's happening on September 21st at 2 p.m. And then we have CapU, which will come back again this year. We've had it the past several years, and it's been a fabulous program. It's a mini conference where students can learn all about the accounting profession, and it's a really great thing. It'll be happening on October 13th and 14th here at the KyCPA offices. And if you want to learn a little bit more about that, I'd like to introduce you to Sarah Lager, who is a CapU alum, and she can tell you a little bit about it.
Hi, my name is Sarah Lager, and I work in Mount Sterling, Kentucky at Faulkner King & Wentz as a staff accountant. I really thought about going to CapU because I was somebody that didn't have a lot of connections yet. I didn't grow up in a family that had accountants. I didn't even have really a personal accountant. So I wanted to join something. I wanted to go be a part of an event where I could meet people that were already in the industry, that were, young professionals, or even just, people that have been there doing it for years. I wanted to get involved.
Well, there you have it, everybody. Thanks so much and have a great week.